guys, welcome back to Wrenie Bird channel. This is me, Wrenie Bird here, and I have this. I'm gonna take a Jameson paw print, and I'm gonna hang the thing on my tree. So the directions say to take a book and aluminum foil and put the aluminum foil on the book, and then take like the clay stuff and knead it. It feels like melted marshmallows. I asked Mama Bird if there's extra, can I keep it? And then if we have extra, I'm gonna add lotion into it. It's gonna be amazing because this feels like heaven. So back to what we were doing. It says it says knead it between your hands for 3 to 2 minutes. It feels like heaven. Mama Bird, how many minutes do you think it's been?
Probably been a minute and a half. After that, place impression material on the foil and flatten into a rectangular shape.
I really hope we have extra. It's the hardest thing is going to be taking Jamie's fingerprint. Well, not fingerprint, but like footprint, paw print, whatever it's called. Because he's wiggly.
Place impression material and flatten into a rectangular shape. Roll the impression until smooth and flat. Make sure it's thick enough in order to get a good impression.
Do you have a rolling pin?
They gave us one. It includes the impression material, a rolling pin, a shaping ring. That is a hole punch. To punch the hole before it dries. Looks much like the rolling pin, only littler. And then a ribbon to hang it. While you're doing that, I'm going to take Jameson out. Place the impression material on the foil.
I can read it, Mama.
Okay. Into a rectangular shape. And then roll it smooth until flat. So make sure it's thick enough. Thick enough to receive the bottom shape.
It feels amazing. Don't want to stop touching it. Okay, so now I'm going to stick it on my aluminum foil. I can't say it right. Aluminum, whatever I just said 5 seconds ago. Not the first one, but the second one, I think is correct. So I'm going to place it on the aluminum foil. Hey, I said it right. And roll it out with this. They gave it to you. It's good because we don't have a rolling pin. Oddly enough, we don't have a rolling pin. I know I just said that, but it's oddly enough. I mean, who doesn't have a rolling pin? We love cooking. We're gonna need to get one because we're baking Christmas cookies for Santa. And maybe if we have extras, I'll come back to you and tell you. And if we have any extras, maybe I can give it to my highest subscriber. And I'll tell you if we have any extra. So, is this big enough? Oh gosh, this is really hard. So we have an elf at our school and it's called Nugget. And he came yesterday. I've heard, but I think he came today. Well, it's a she. Many people call it a he though, but it's obviously a she. My elf came on my birthday, which was like 5,000 months ago. I'm just kidding. No, it was like a month ago. I'm just kidding. It's like 3 weeks ago. Since it's like clay, I'm gonna get my finger wet and rub. What? That's what you're supposed to do with clay. Yeah, that isn't working. It's so hard. I'm gonna need to knead this in my hands a little more. You know what? I worked so hard on flattening this out. I'm not gonna. Mama Bird, every time I roll it out really good, it's never the right size. No, I never need help, but I'm just saying. See? What?
Sometimes when I'm making cookies and that happens. Let's see. Let's see, you have lots of extra here and here that you don't need. So let's take that. Let's see here, you do the thing so people can see what we're doing. We're taking the extra. Let's put it over here. Okay. Wow, this stuff does feel almost like foam.
I know, right? Now you see why I want to keep it.
I do see what you're talking about. Okay, so let's try it like that. Okay. Maybe that'll help, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you missed a part, what happened was we had to make it a little bit shaped differently so Wrenie Bird could fit this puzzle piece here.
Puzzle piece?
Yeah, this dog bone. I don't know. Make sure it's uniform.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
So, did we read the instructions? Rolled until smooth. Step number 5 is wet paw and press the paw into the impression.
Wait, you don't cut it out yet?
No. They want you to wet the paw and press it into the impression material and remove.
You know
We're
what?
going to pause this, guys.
I gotta redo this all.
What?
So, guys, I'm having Mama Bird roll it out because I was doing terrible and it got too thin, and then now it feels like real actual marshmallows. So, yeah. She bakes cookies a lot, so she should know how to do this kind of stuff. So fluffy. I'm definitely keeping some of this if I have extra.
It feels like a mixture between the teacher stuff and phloem.
You mean sticky tack?
Yeah.
Phloem? Do you even know what phloem is?
Isn't that the foamy slime?
Basically. That's not what it feels like, though. It feels like melted, it feels like edible marshmallow slime with a little bit of that teacher's sticky tack and slime mixed. And just imagine that between your fingers going between, and oh, it feels so good.
Okay, I think we're pretty good. I mean,
it stretches like the teacher's stuff, see? Oh yes, I got some. See, I got it. It's perfect. I want to play with this forever.
Okay. Now, it says to wet your dog's print.
Mama Bird. Okay, so I'm going to get a little bowl.
Wet paw and press into impression material and remove.
Okay, I'm up here getting a bowl. Mama Bird, I'm going to get a bowl, and then I'm going to put water in it, and I'm going to get these prints, okay?
Now, let me tell y'all something. that I think we should do. So this is smoother. We're going to flip it over to the other side so it's on the smooth side. Because it's got to be smoother than that. Well, ish. Got a big bump in it.
Just roll it out some more. Here, I got some water in a bowl. It's exciting but fun. Jimmy! Come here, baby! Woo!
That almost looks like a mouse. Am I imagining things? Does it look like a mouse?
Yeah, it looks like a mouse. Come here. Okay, ready?
Let's see if the other side's smoother.
He doesn't want to stick his paw in it. Jimmy, you can't drink that water.
Here.
Now
Do you want me to wet his paw?
He's drinking it.
Would you want me to wet his paw?
Yeah.
Well, that's got to be on the floor. Don't get it too thin. All right, put it on the floor.
That. Get his paw wet.
Okay.
Wait
a minute.
You got me stuck for nothing.
Okay, here, put it down on the ground. It's this paw.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Jeremy! That probably hurts him. Oh no! It has green all. Oh.
Yeah, but green is good because it's Christmas.
No, we gotta redo it.
Wrenie Bird, that looks fantastic.
We gotta redo it.
No. That's too much work.
We gotta redo it.
Fans. Wrenie Bird fans. Seriously? It has green on it for Christmas.
We're redoing it.
Where did you get the green from?
I don't know. We're redoing it with a different pole. Here.
That's just going to show, first of all, that it's now the green's going to be all mixed in there.
It's gonna be fine.
You only have a couple minutes left. Where'd you start it?
We're rolling it again.
Okay, so this is what it said, guys. It said to take the bone, put it in there,
Cut the hole.
trim off the extra,
Ready? I'm gonna put the hole.
and then it twists the straw in a corner. Yep. There you go. And it says leave it to dry in here for 8 to 10 hours. So Wrenie Bird's super excited because she has all this extra left that who knows what in the world she's going to do with, considering it's going to dry. But stay tuned. We will show you what it turns out like in 8 to 10 hours. Okay? Bye.
We're gonna pause it so it'll be like 1 second to you, but like 10 to 8 hours for us.
Yeah. Okay, so bye, Wrenie Bird fans.
Bye for right now.